Good morning, Bring a Trailer. It's a beautiful summer morning here in Damascus, Maryland. I have my fingers on the exhaust manifold. It's been parked here overnight. And one of the best things about this particular car, everything was serviced at a Lexus dealership. The last timing belt service was done at 50,281 miles, July 6th, 2020. It's good for 8 years and 90,000 miles. So the next one is due in about 15,000 miles and 3 years. All the VIN sticker is on this car. So all the panels are factory, which is very important when you look at a car, because you don't want to buy a car that was wrecked. The battery's brand new. The oil change is only 2,000 miles ago, but it is almost a year. So the next owner will get a brand new oil change with Lexus oil filter. I don't believe in not using factory filters. Actually, it was changed at Wilkie Lexus in April, only about 4 months ago, so I'll take that back. It'll be premature to do the oil change. The engine is cold. All the warning lights come on until it starts. Engine is incredibly smooth and silent. The most important option on these cars was the 2004 navigation system, which gave you Bluetooth and also gave you the backup camera and navigation. And people may say, well, I have navigation on my phone, but this is GPS based navigation, so it'll actually work when you don't have cell service. So that's a great feature. Like I was saying on the earlier walk around video, it had these factory floor mats since new, and underneath the carpet it looks brand new. I deliberately left my coffee cup on the engine so you can see how smooth the engine is and quiet the engine is. Of course, on the LS400 commercial, they stacked up champagne glasses as they were filling it. So I used to manage Lexus Rockville from 1990 to 2005, and I used to manage Lexus of Silver Spring from 2005 to 2006, and then I opened up Luxury Automax and I sold 5,000 cars at the retail location, but now I'm selling cars out of my home in Damascus, Maryland on Bring a Trailer. So hope that was helpful. Enjoy your morning coffee and bid with confidence. This is a true garage kept, pristine, lightly used, like 3,000 miles a year for the last 21 years.